Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm back with this look here. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. First, I'm going to take this Juvia Place Zulu palette, and I'm going to take that yellow first, and then I'm going to go into the orange. You guys, I messed my face up. I had those little cyst bumps around my mouth. I went to see a dermatologist, and she gave me some cream to get rid of it. And she told me specifically, do not wear this out in the sun. And I did. I took my daughter to school and I tore my face up instantly. I felt it burning. And I got all of those little red spots around my mouth, but don't be alarmed. It's better and it wasn't painful. But as you saw, I took the MAC Soft Ochre paint pot with my finger and I put that over my eye. I blended it out as usual. And then I set it with the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder. And now I'm taking my Wet n Wild blending brushes and I'm taking that yellow and I'm just going back and forth in windshield wiper motions and small circles to blend that out. Now I'm taking another Wet n Wild blending brush and I'm using that orange. And I'm just going to use that as my second transition shade. And I'm going to build that shade up as bright as I want it to be. Then going back with that yellow and blending out that orange and that yellow together. Then going back and adding more of that orange out of that Zulu palette. Then I'm going to take this shade. It's called Oh Ship by ColourPop. It's one of their single shadows, pressed shadows. And I love these shadows. They're cheap and they work very well. Then I'm going to go into that Milk Cosmetics. I think it's the Love Sick stack and it's the shade Love Sick, and I'm just going to use this into my crease on another Wet n Wild blending brush. Then going back, adding that old ship shade back in there and blending it out with that yellow. Then I'm going to take Makeup Geeks Americano on a small, I think it's a Morphe 506 brush, 506 or 507, and I'm just going to put that into the crease so that when I cut it, my crease is nice and dark. But as always, you go back with those prior brushes, add those colors back, and blend out. Going in with that MAC Soft Ochre paint pot, and I'm using it on a brush that came in one of my Urban Decay Naked palettes. And I'm using that flat side to cut the crease out. Then I'm going to take Two Birds by ColourPop. It's that gold shade. It is so pretty. It's like a copper gold shade. Like, it is so pretty. Like, it's so nice. And I'm just going to tap that on my eye on that lid space where I cut the crease at. And I'm just going to add that in. Then I'm going in back with that Americano shade from Makeup Geek, and I'm blending out the edges. Taking the Tarte's clay paint liner, I think it is called, and I'm going to use that on a liner brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to create a wing. Taking the NYX Vivid Bright liner in that yellow shade. I don't know exactly what color that is, but I'll leave it down in the description bar. And I'm just going to line over my black line. It's okay if you mess up because you can always go back with the black and fix any mistakes. I tell you guys all the time that I do not have a steady hand and my lines are always a mess. I can never get one line the same as the other. With the lower lash line, I'm going to take that Love Sick shade and I'm just going to drag that along my lower lash line. Take that Oh Ship shade. That orange shade is so pretty. And I'm just going to blend out that Love Sick shade with another blending brush. That's the Tarte's clay paint that I use to do my wing liner, and I'm going to use that also to tight line my waterline. Spraying with the NYX Dewy Mist Spray to get all the powders to melt into my face. Then I'm going to use a Gerard Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Lucy. as a highlighter. This is a really pretty highlighter. This is my first Gerard Cosmetics product and I like it. I'm very satisfied with the color and everything, but I'm just highlighting everything. For lips, I took the MAC Plum Liner and I'm just going to line my lips and get them things together. Soup coolers. And this is the ColourPop Love Muffin liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to blend those two together to create a nice ombre effect. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this look. I did. Yeah, I love the colors. I love the way it came out. If you do like it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next go around. Take care. Mwah.